How to change the press and hold of your power button to access the power off menu or the digital assistant. This is for a Moto G phone with Android 15, and let's get started. To find and change this feature, use the quick access like this here, pull it down 2 times and go to the settings toggle found at the bottom section here. Once you tap on this here, you'll be taken to the main settings area in which you can use the search option here and type in the words power menu. This one right here. When you see it, tap on it and it's going to take you straight to where you need to go. So basically with this here, at default, when you first get your Moto G phone, it will be set to the digital assistant. And this basically, if you press your power button, it's going to access the Gemini feature if you don't want it. And of course, you can choose to leave it at that or switch it to the power off menu. Whenever you long press the power button, it's going to take you to this here. Now, if you decide you want to keep the digital assistant, but you want to be able to turn off your phone, you'll just bring down a quick access 2 times like this here. And there is the power off menu right here to the bottom right. That's another way to do it. And once you tap on it, it'll take you there. So that's that. Like and sub.